Deal. Until then, you're staying right here.
Coordinates obtained through interrogation confirm an oil rig 400 nautical miles offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. The rig is no longer active and is currently in use by the cartel as a smuggling dead drop. A cargo ship is anchored 500 meters to its northwest. Surveillance saw personnel moving a large container from the ship to the rig. That container is now on top of the platform. We believe this is the missile. TF-141, Colonel Vargas and Shadow Company will infill 3 boat teams for a simultaneous takedown of both targets. Ghost will lead the ship assault team. Graves, Soap, and Alejandro will engage the oil rig and disarm the missile. All shooters will get no quarter. Your orders are to eliminate all threats.
Eyes on the rig!
Alright, that's our target! Shadows 1 and 2! Push to your hook points! Let's invite ourselves in!
All station ship is visual.
Copy! Request for assault, stay on comm! Valerian told the truth! We forward, clear, disarm that vessel!
And this is lying!
God help!
God help us all! Be ready for anything! This could be a trap!
Actual, we're set.
Copy. Get to work.
Good hook. Got him.
All Shadows, the missile is on this platform. I want full containment. You've got 3 AQ internal. Making entry.
So, cut right clear through.
Rim clear. Coming out.
Roger. Shadow 1 moving to the southeast stairwell.
Quarter, right side.
2 above. Above there.
Clear.
Balcony door.
Ghost, we're moving to the main deck. What's your status?
Holding the ship with Shadow 3 now.
Roger that. Man down! Rush out! Pinche cabrones nowhere here.
Move fast.
All Shadows, force out. I want eyes on that container now.
Two guns, moving!
We gotta roll.
Shadow 1, Ghost. Visual on flares coming from the rig. What's your status? Ghost, they're signaling the ship. They're gonna launch that missile!
There's no time! All Shadows, missile is on the helipad!
2-1, we're moving to secure. Cover us!
Force it up! Move to the helipad, Sergeant!
Shit!
Go, hit the stairs, flank them! Go, let's get up there and clear them out. Shadow 1. Rig is secure. Moving on the container now.
Roger that. Confirm when the objective is neutralized.
Open.
Where are the controls?
On that damn ship. Actual, we got a problem. Missile is armed. Controls are somewhere on the ship.
You have your orders, son. Stop that launch.
Alejandro, take Overwatch. Soap, you're with me. We're moving to that ship.
I'll keep you covered, hermano. Visual on the missile control. Say again. Missile controls are on the bridge.
Copy that. Let's go, let's move out. Go! This is Zero 1, back in the water, inbound, to your position.
Solid copy, we're taking effective fire. The LZ will be on.
Roger that. Once we're on deck, we push to the bridge. Fast! Secure those controls. Stop this vessel, yeah?
How do we board?
Take the ramp! Hold tight, time in! Let's have ourselves a gunfight!
Make sure to move it in. Missile controls are on the bridge. We have to stop the launch.
Alejandro, maintain overwatch from the rig. We're forcing us.
Okay, let's move out.
Containers are the only cover we have.
Let's go kick off between us. Moving. I'm moving. They're forcing up.
Releasing. Watch the containers!
Check your corner. Got that sucker. Force it up.
Reloading! Actually done! Visual on the bridge, top deck!
Entry on the third. We have to get to that door.
Bridge entry.
Check it. Controls are internal. All right, stand back. Shadow 1 going explosive on bridge entry. 3, 2, 1, execute! All Shadows, move on the bridge! Go, 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 go! Take the hallway. Move up. Clear the next room. Secure.
Fire! Bridge is 2 floors up, yeah?
Affirmative.
Moving to second deck.
Contacts! Take that hallway!
So push up and hit the flank.
Use that hallway, flank.
Let's go. Room clear. Hallway clear.
Cheeky bastards. Victor 1, we're moving to the bridge now. Fire, Alejandro.
Clear.
Let's get in there. All right, eyes on the controls. Tapping in. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. Fuck. We can't disarm it.
Why?
It's too late.
There's no abort code?
Yeah, well, that window's closed on that, boys. Gold Eagle Actual, this is Shadow 1, missiles in boost phase, about to burn. How copy?
Solid, Shadow. If we can't disarm, then we detonate.
Roger that, Actual, standby. Soap, get on the controls, we're gonna have to do this together. Now the clock is ticking, so we gotta move, brother, all right? It's a 2-man job, so... Tap in, let's get this done, yeah?
I'm in.
Actual, we're on the con. What's the order?
Input the DAL code and let the payload strike.
What's the DAL code?
Detonate after launch.
We're gonna take out the oil rig with the missile.
Alejandro's back there with the shadows. All stations, clear the rig now. I say again, clear the rig.
Roger, what's the count?
1 minute.
Copy, on the move.
All right, Soap, get on the controls. We need it in diagnostic mode so I can bypass the login. Soap, hit the clear and mode keys at the same time.
Done. Wait, what's happening?
A little techno wizardry. Okay. Now I need the last digit on row 2, column 1.
It's C, Charlie.
Perfecto.
It's headed for New Orleans.
Not anymore. Target updated. Hit execute. Let's enjoy our handiwork, Sergeant. Here we go. All stations, prepare for the boom.
It's on the way.
Look at that big bad shit.
Steaming bloody Jesus.
Alejandro, you okay?
You safe?
Affirmative. You?
We're good here, hermano.
Gold Eagle Actual Shadow 1. Good hit. Good hit. Missile and rig destroyed.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good work. Now get off that X and go home. So, Ghost, thanks for a job well done.
Roger that, Actual.
We're RTB, men.